Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a sketchbook using scissors, a ruler, pencil, and paper. The first thing you're going to do is gather about 8 to 10 sheets of paper, and I just got any paper, drawing paper, construction paper. So first thing you're going to do is separate them into 2 stacks, about half and half, and you're going to fold them individually, one at a time, in half. And you're going to want to take your scissors or your ruler or your pencil and really flatten out that crease, so that way you have a nice flat edge. And you're going to do that to every sheet of paper in the stack. After you fold all your sheets of paper, you're going to put them back together, kind of like a little booklet, in whatever order you want, and then straighten them all out, kind of like you have a book there. Then you're going to open it up. On the inside, you're going to measure 1 inch, and you're going to put a mark 1 inch from the top and 1 inch from the bottom along the crease on the inside. You take your scissors, you're going to cut to that mark on both sides at the crease. So you have 2 slits, one at the top and one at the bottom. Next, you're going to take your other stack of paper and you're going to fold them in half just like you did the others. So once you finish folding every piece of paper and really folding down the crease, you're going to put them back together just like you did the previous stack. This time, though, you're not going to open it up. You're going to make your marks on the outside. I apologize for my blurry video, but I am marking along the folded edge, not the open side. So 1 inch from the top and 1 inch from the bottom. And I'm going to make a mark, and again, we're along the folded edge. Then I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm going to make a cutout starting from the top and the bottom. I'm just going to cut in just a little bit. And then I'm going to cut off the folded edge in between those 2 marks. I'm trying to make it as straight as possible. And you're leaving the top and bottom inch, so when you open it, you have a slot. Then you're going to take your other stack with the indentions cut in, and you're going to kind of roll it up like a burrito. And then you're going to slide it into the other stack and unroll it, so that way the edges that you've cut will line up and they'll connect like a book. You might have to finagle it a little bit and fix some. I had to go through and kind of find some edges that were folded up, but then you should close it and you should have a sketchbook that's about 20 pages that you can use.